Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to spell check your entire Google Doc document. So once you're inside Google Docs, all you have to do is head over to the menu options and go to tools and just simply choose the option that says spelling and grammar. Then you want to go over to where it says spelling and grammar check, or you can also press Ctrl Alt and X. Once you click on that, you will see it pops up and it basically start to check your document for any incorrect wording. So as you can see here, it detects that sincerely is spelled incorrect. It's at the bottom, and you can go ahead and you can choose to accept, or you can simply go ahead and ensure that you select the correct spelling. So whatever they recommend to you, you can either ignore it or accept. So in this case, if I want, I can click on accept, and you will see that it changes at the bottom for me and it makes it correct now. Now on the you can see that there's also another one. The word reader is incorrect, so I can go ahead and I can choose to accept this one, and it's gonna fix it. So if you have a document, guys, you can use this feature to spell check your entire document. It will basically go through and find those words that are not correct, and you can go ahead and you can fix them. That's it. Very easy and very simple.